I was reading a story. Have you got a storybook?
Yes.
Oh, do you know what my story's about? It's about a Christmas tree, Luke. It's about a Christmas tree. And he didn't want to be a Christmas tree. Isn't that funny? He didn't want to be a Christmas tree. Now, who have I got here? What's your name?
Galum.
Who?
Is it Galum?
What's your name?
It's Starlight.
They're two new names to me. Are you twins?
No.
Or are you brothers?
We are brothers.
Well, you look like twins, don't you? Now, listen to me. Do you know what you want for Christmas?
Yeah.
Oh, what would you like me to bring you?
A Sonic card guy.
You've been looking in the Argos catalogue, haven't you? I bet you have. Oh, what about you then? What do you want for
A
Christmas?
cooker, Hagglebudgy, and Sausage Lily.
Do you? You've been looking in the Argos catalogue as well. I can find them in there, and I know what you want. Now, listen. You are going to have lots of presents at Christmas. Have you got a nanny and granddad?
Yeah.
Have you got one set or two sets?
2 cents.
2 sets?
Yeah.
You are fortunate boys, aren't you, to have 2 sets of you keeping with them. They are good people. Have you got some aunties and uncles?
Yeah.
Oh, is this your auntie and uncle?
Yeah.
No, I'm the mother.
Your mummy?
Yeah.
Oh.
And that's the daddy.
Oh, actually, you're... And then you've got some cousins, I dare say. Now, listen. Oh, have you got your Christmas tree up yet?
Yes.
Oh, goodness gracious me. What have you got on top?
A star.
I've got a star on top of mine, look. Is your star bigger than mine?
No, it's very small.
Very small. Oh, you'll
it
have to get a bigger one, won't you? Now, listen. Listen. When I come to your house with all your presents, shall I put them all under the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
And your mummy can help me. She's got nothing to do at Christmas, so I'm going to wrap them all up, and Mummy will put the names on them.
And we even got Christmas hugging.
Have you?
Yeah, and that's where you put the sweets.
Oh, and then you know what your daddy's going to do?
Yeah.
He's going to leave my reindeer some carrots. He's got to cut them all up, Dad, you know. Don't forget, will you?
Yeah.
All the carrots up, and we'll have them at Christmas. Now, Mummy, will you leave me a nice mug of hot chocolate?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate. Do you like hot chocolate?
Yes.
With some...
And we're going to leave you some drink and and a biscuit.
Ah, I'm glad you've got some biscuits. I love biscuits. I like to dunk them in my hot chocolate. Now, listen, you two boys. Come over here. Come over here. Oh, goodness gracious me. Goodness gracious. Turn round and look at your mum and dad. Yeah, oh, come back a bit here. And then hold that stocking. Hold that stocking. Yeah.